Well, naisip ko or na-conceptualize ko tong class natin ngayon is first, syempre ang mga students natin, request ng students natin yan. And syempre, your wish is my command. Second is talagang mahilig rin talaga ako sa sandwiches. I'm always on the go. I always make my own sandwiches. Pagka, kunyari, papasok ako sa work, kung may lakad ako, magutom in the car, kailangan may baong ka parate, yun ang parati kong ginagawa. I also make hearty sandwiches na kahit hindi ka magkanin, sandwich pa lang, busog ka na. Siyempre, masarap rin kasama ng sandwiches Paparisa natin ng mainit na soup yan. Mapa chowder yan, mapa tomato soup yan. Ang sarap ipares din sa sandwiches, di ba? Okay, sa sandwiches natin, we have our banh mi. Ang banh mi natin is, alam natin yan, Vietnamese sandwich yan, na ang ganda ng balanse. First, ang ating homemade baguette roll. Crusty on the outside, soft on the inside. Kukombine na mo yan ng maraming vegetables. Pickled vegetables na of course homemade rin. May pate at may meat. Lahat yan homemade. Next is our corned beef. Ang corned beef natin na gagawin pala ngayon, syempre from scratch rin yan. Two ways yan. Isa, syempre, yung normal na gisa natin. And yung isang way, gagawin nating pang sandwich. Isa-serve natin yan on a really soft hoagie roll. Itong hoagie roll na to, napaka-versatile na to. Homemade rin to. Pwede siya gamitin sa kahit anong palaman din also. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating soup bowls. Gagawa tayong soups Syempre, yun ang magiging vessel ng ating mga soups. It's more exciting to eat, it's more fun for the whole family, and maganda rin ipang negosyo. Okay, sa soups naman natin, we have our creamy tomato soup. I'm sure everybody would like this. It's creamy, it's hearty, it's savory. Talagang patok to, mapabata, mapamatanda. We have our hearty corn and potato chowder. Medyo ibang twist naman to than our normal clam chowder. Kakaibang twist to compared sa ating normal na clam chowder. Ito, sobrang creamy nito, sobrang hearty nito. It will please the whole family. And lastly, sa ating soups, we have our pumpkin soup. One of my favorites also. It's a really thick and hearty soup na may konting twist. It will surely become one of your favorites. Saan pa ba guys? Dito lang yan sa The Bailiwick Academy.